आदाब साथियों, पेडागोजी MCQs पार्ट 2 आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर है। दोस्तों, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने 30 MCQs कवर किए थे। MCQs नंबर 31 से स्टार्ट करेंगे आज। MCQs नंबर 31, द साइकोलॉजिकल एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ द क्लास इज़ मेनली द ड्यूटी ऑफ, यानी जो क्लासरूम होता है उसका जो नफ्सियाती माहौल का ज़िम्मेदार कौन होता है। नंबर ए, स्टूडेंट्स हिमसेल्फ। नंबर बी, कम्युनिटी एंड क्लास टीचर। नंबर सी, only class teacher. Number D, administration of high level. So the correct option is option C, only class teacher. 32, on which basis the ability of teachers can be judged. Number A, to fulfill the needs of the students. Number B, personality of the teacher. Number C, degrees of the teacher. Number D, none of these. So the correct option is option B, personality of the teacher. Number 33, which of the following strategies is most suitable for introducing a lesson? Number A, demonstration. Number B, questioning. Number C, lecture. So the correct option is option B, questioning is the most suitable strategy for introducing a lesson. Number 34, basic education mean dash. Number A, system of education. Number B, poor learning. Number C, basic of any learning. So the correct option is option C, basic of any learning. Number 35, psychology is a dash. Number A nature science. Number B, a physical science. Number C, a biological science. Number D, a social science. So psychology is a social science. Option D is correct. Number 36, today psychology is scientific study of human and animals dash. Psychology इंसानों और हैवानों के देश का मुतालिया है। नंबर ए, बिहेवियर यानी रवैयों का मुतालिया है। नंबर बी, माइंड जहनों का मुतालिया है। नंबर सी, सोल रूहों का मुतालिया है। नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, बिहेवियर. साइकोलॉजी इज द साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स बिहेवियर. नंबर 37, the earliest definition of psychology was study of dash, study of behavior, study of mind, study of soul. So the earliest definition of psychology was study of soul. Option C. 38, psychology was a science of mind defined by Dash School of Psychology. Number A, psychoanalysts. Number B, behaviorist. Number C, functionalist. Number D, ancient Greek philosophers. So psychology as a science of mind was defined by ancient Greek philosophers. Option D. Number 39, in the year dash the scientific psychology was first accepted. 1779, 1679, 1879 and 1889. So the correct option is option C, 1879. MCQs number 40, who is the father of experimental psychology? तजुर्बाती नफ्सियात के बाबाए आदम कौन थे? नंबर ए, विल्हेल्म वुंट. नंबर बी, Sigmund Freud. Number C, C.G. Jung. Number D, E.B. Tachiner. So the correct option is option A. Number 41. Who established the first psychological laboratory at the University of Leipzig in Germany? Leipzig in Germany. So the correct option is Wilhelm Wundt. Option B. Number 42. J.B. Watson, the father of behavioristic school of psychology, defined psychology as a science of. So option D is the correct option, as a science of behavior. 43. Behavior of organisms is static, dynamic, predictable, or all of these. So option B is the correct option. Behavior of organism is dynamic. Option B. Now, number 44. E.D. Sachner defines psychology as the science of conscious experience, science of mind, science of experience, and science of self. The correct option is option A. Conscious experience. Number 45. Who defines psychology as the scientific study of activities of organism in relations to its environment? J.B. Watson, number A. Number B, Sigmund Freud. Number C, Woodward. Number D, William James. So the correct option is option C, Woodward. Number 46. Who defines psychology as the science of intermediate experience with consciousness being the main subject matters? The correct option is Wilhelm Wundt. Option B. Number 47. This branch of psychology describe and explain the relation of physical environment like weather, climate, and soil with behavior. Number A, psychological. Number B, parapsychological. Number C, geopsychological. So the correct option is geopsychological. We described and explained the biological and psychological basis of behavior: parapsychology, experimental psychology, social psychology, and physiological psychology. So the correct option is option D, physiological psychology. Number 49. Clinical psychology deals with the practical aspects of abnormal psychology, education psychology, child psychology, and experimental psychology. So the correct option is option A. Clinical psychology deals with the practical aspects of abnormal psychology. Number 50. To study abnormal psychology means to study mainly the nature of normality of mind, unconscious level of mind, subconscious level of mind, and abnormality of mind. So the correct option is the study of abnormal psychology means to study mainly the nature of unconsciousness of mind. Option B is the correct. Now 51. Educational psychology is an niche branch of psychology. Applied power. So the correct option is educational psychology is an applied psychology, is an applied branch of psychology. Option A. 52. Educational psychology revolves around three areas: the learner, the learning process, and students, parents, teachers, learning situation, and community. So the correct option is option C, learning situations. Number 53. Who defined education psychology as the science of education? Number A, Peel. Number B, Skinner. Number C, Carroll. Number D, Crown and Crown. So the correct option is option A, Peel. Number 54. Who defined educational psychology as the branch of psychology which deals with teaching and learning? So the correct option is option B, Skinner. Skinner was a scientist who defined educational psychology as a branch of psychology which deals with teaching and learning. Number 55. According to psychology, all education is deliberation. Functional. Number C, purposive. Number D, self-education. So according to psychology, all education is self-education. Option D. Next, who is the father of experimental psychology? So Wundt is the father of experimental psychology. Number 57. Where the first experimental psychology laboratory set up? So at Germany, Leipzig. Number 58. Which method has made educational psychology a science? So experimental method made educational psychology as a science. Option A. Number 59. The oldest method in psychology is observation, introspection, case study, clinical method. So option B, introspection, is the oldest method in psychology. Number 60. Educational psychology is concerned with the learner, the learning process, and the learning situations. So all of these are correct options of the above MCQs, that educational psychology is concerned with all of these. Number C. So thank you, viewers. Hope you like my efforts. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. It means a lot for me. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.